In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this spooky material. Let's create a teapot. If you don't see the teapot in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Press Ctrl+3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. Let's take a look at the material. Here are the full nodes. Only the mapping location is being animated to move the texture. On frame 1, I have set a keyframe on the X, and on frame 100, I have set a new keyframe after changing the X value. My new dollar store mouse is having some clicking issues. This animation is 100 frames long. If you want to make the texture to move slower, please animate a value that's much lower than 0.5. This material is completely transparent. By the way, I'm using Eevee with Bloom. I'll show you how the material was constructed. I have mixed an emission node with a transparent node. Its factor is being controlled by a color ramp node and a noise texture node. Without the noise texture node, the material will look like this. Please remember to set the blend mode of the material as alpha blend. We can change the noise texture setting to customize the overall shape of the material. This material could be used as a background as well. The animation and the pattern themselves can be fully animated by animating the values of the mapping and color ramp nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.